Yeah, I got around to it. I got a real one, a real round to it. And I'm so glad, because if anybody ever needed a round to it, it was me. But I got one, thanks to Stateline Engraving. They make all kind of nice little stuff like this. I'll put a link down below. Y'all check them out. I'm going to hang on to this because it helped me out today. I've had this auger and this here chainsaw hanging around for months. And I didn't want to work on it. I'd do it when I get around to it. I wish I'd done a long time ago. Both of them turned out to be extremely simple. I just didn't want to mess with it. Well, thanks to my new found round to it, wasn't nothing to it. I think it might have a little pixie dust in it. I ain't sure. But I'm gonna give you a quick review of what it took once I got around to it. Meantime, do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Check out TNT Unleashed. That's right, T-Bone and Mrs. T showing you something other than a little mower repair. Other than that, let me show you what I missed out on all this time. Let's start off with this saw. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't like working on a saw. This thing come in here with the doggone chain all jacked up, off the bar, dangling off of it. See if it'll run and see if you can get the chain back on it. Let somebody borrow it is the story I was told. It turned out, all I found wrong with it was they didn't put the bar adjustment in the little hole on the bar. It had it all cocked sideways, and they was over torquing these two nuts to hold it in place. Once I straightened that out, it cranked right up. Ain't slung that chain off yet, and it's oiling good. So, project one down. And I sure was glad, because I don't like working on a saw. Next up was this Predator auger. Same kind of scenario, other than see if it'll run, and when you get it running, figure out why it won't shut off. Well, I mixed up a little fresh gas after I cleaned that tank up. And the only thing I really saw wrong with this thing in my initial inspection was this here primer bulb. It don't look so happy. Throw the fresh one on, hit it for a little fuel, voila. Woo. So there you have it. The reason it didn't get done is because I didn't do it. I didn't have a round to it. I am kind of curious. Are them round to it's just like a one application, or is it good for more than one? Because since I moved that camera back over there, I have laid my round to it down and I can't find it. So I may have to get another one. Until then, y'all take care. Be good to one another. If you can't be good to one another, just stay the devil away from one another. Hey, I gotta go find me another round to it. Oh, gone.